on its mandate despite challenges and inconveniences brought about by COVID-19 pandemic. As you recall, in my last address to the university, I mentioned that we may be facing the third wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Consequently, I urge all of us to continue being vigilant in observing the COVID-19 prevention and control measures. I implored on everyone to take all necessary precautions to prevent getting infected and to protect the people that we love, including our family members and colleagues. The President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, in his 15th address delivered yesterday to the nation on coronavirus pandemic, indeed confirmed that a third wave of COVID-19 is at hand in Kenya. In order to avert a national health crisis, and also in keeping with the recommendations of the National Emergency Response Committee on COVID-19, he issued the Public Order No. 2 of 2021 on the coronavirus pandemic. Following the presidential address, the Senate deliberated this morning on this matter and resolved as follows: to comply fully with the Presidential Order No. 2 of 2021 issued on March 26, 2021. To reschedule all in-person teaching and learning activities at the University of Nairobi, except those in the College of Health Sciences. All teaching and learning will continue to take place online. The Director of ICT to facilitate staff and students in upscaling the uptake and utilization of online solutions. To suspend accommodation and catering services and the students to vacate the halls of residence immediately, but not later than tomorrow, Sunday, 28th March by 10 a.m., except those in the College of Health Sciences. International students are encouraged to take advantage of available international flights to go home, and those with challenges to contact the Director, Corporate Affairs for any clarification and guidance via the email pr@uonbi.ac.ke. All members of staff will continue to work from home with effect from 8 a.m. Monday, 29th March 2021, subject to appropriate work plans, work schedules, and targets as managed by heads of units, except those involved in provision of essential services. The heads of unit to plan for activities that need to be executed and share the duties in a weekly basis with the college principals. The Deputy Vice Chancellors to monitor the implementation of the remote working from home and update the Vice Chancellor regularly. In this regard, the following departments will remain open as they constitute essential services: the Directorate of Security and Safety Services, the Veterinary Hospital, the Field Station, the Veterinary Farm, the Dental Hospital, and the University Health Services. The critical services that will need to be managed from the offices or the university premises should be managed on case-by-case basis in consultation with the Vice Chancellor. The management and the Senate will continually review the situation and advise the university community progressively. In addition, all members of staff and the students are also asked to note that the presidential orders were effective midnight 26 March 2020. The other consequences of the presidential order are as follows. There will be no gatherings and in-person meetings of whatever nature within the premises of the University of Nairobi. All university meetings will continue to be conducted online. All sporting activities in the university are suspended, and our sports facilities, including fields, will be shut down with immediate effect. All recreation facilities in the university premises, including members' clubs, to remain closed until further notice. Restaurants and eateries in the university premises shall remain closed unless they have capacity to provide takeaway services only. As regards vaccination of staff, I have detailed the Principal College of Health Sciences and the Chief Medical Officer to make arrangements for vaccination of staff at our university health services. Members of staff are also asked to be free to visit any government facility that has been designated as a vaccination center. Ladies and gentlemen, let us do